National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Jefferson County in southern Oklahoma until 7:30 p.m. At 6:39 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located near Oscar, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado and golf ball-size hail. Source, weather spotters confirmed tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Ringling, Oscar, Grady, Cornish, and Petersburg. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter. Safe room or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.